Hey, I'm Dan from The Food in My Beard. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna grill breakfast, lunch, and dinner right on the top of the mountain.
Good morning, everybody. We are on top of Mount Holyoke. Some people call it Skinner Mountain, Skinner State Park, wherever have you. We're at one of the most beautiful spots in Western Mass, and I have one of the most beautiful men, Dan Whalen, here from The Food in My Beard. Good morning, Dan.
I just love grilling outside in cool new places in the summer, so it's awesome.
Yeah, we're both sweating, everyone. Please bear with us. It's hot out, and we're next to a fire.
Yeah, but you know, that's what you get when you grill outside, and you know, it's all part of it.
So we're making breakfast, lunch, and dinner for you folks right now. And Dan, what are we starting with for breakfast?
Breakfast, we're gonna make a breakfast burger. It has sausage as a burger, it has pancakes as the bun, and it's got a fried egg on there. So you can put your pancake batter into a squeeze bottle like this. I think any bread can act as a bun. Anything you hold in your hands can bun.
Josh is such a visionary, such a believer in all things being a bun.
I'm going to start building this up a little bit here. So I have the pancake, and then I'm going to put our sausage patty on top of it. I'm going to put the egg, fried egg, right on there. And we got our top pancake bun there, and that's that.
Everybody, look at this, folks. Isn't that a thing of beauty? And it's real hot, as you just saw it sizzle. Now, okay, up next we're making lunch together, Dan. What are we making for lunch?
Together will be a Korean chicken sandwich, and we're going to top that with kimchi and serve it on a bun. Korean chicken is very popular, but usually it's going to be fried. But I wanted to do a grilled version, so I marinated it in some sauce that was probably kind of like similar to a bulgogi marinade. Some chili powder, some sesame oil, some soy sauce, and you know what gives this its sweetness is pear.
Pear?
And if you're marinating this while you're out, what I like to use, if you're doing it at home, use a presser, but if you're doing it while you're out here, you can use a.
Is this considered sesame?
But yeah, that's a sandwich, and it has everything you need in a sort of a barbecue sandwich, because it has that savory meat, but it also has like the slaw element, which is the kimchi.
Hey folks, we made breakfast, we made lunch. Even though it's not even noon yet, we're now making dinner. I'm back here with Dan Whalen from The Food in My Beard.
For dinner, we're doing a lamb kofta. And I just love this breakfast, lunch, and dinner concept. You know, people need to get out and grill more and not just make like a burger or a steak. And if you're looking for a new sort of burger-like thing, this is it, you know. It's a bunch of meat mixed together with some seasonings, and it's an awesome sort of alternative to that type of dinner. In the kofta is, let's see, mint, cilantro, a lot of cumin, a little cinnamon, a little clove. There's some grated garlic, and then there's jalapeno and onion in there as well.
You're going for a pretty drizzle?
Yeah, but it won't be.
More like a pretty glob, folks. You don't get enough pretty globs these days.
There we go. So yeah, that's it. And this is like an elegant sort of dinner that's different, that you're not expecting, that you can make outside.
There you go, folks. We made breakfast, we made lunch, we made dinner, all for National Grilling Month. I hope you enjoy these outside. Dan, thanks so much for being here. That's great having you.
Thank you. Let's go jump in a pool somewhere.
Yeah, that's the next step. We're going to go find a pool, folks. You try these at home. We'll have these for you at mymassappeal.com.
Thanks for watching. Get the recipe from the link below. Hope you enjoyed me sweating through 3 courses on the mountaintop, and check back for a new video every Thursday. Like and subscribe for more content from the Food in My Beard.